Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Stella, and today I'm going to be doing a cooking tutorial. Not really like a tutorial, but I'll just be showing you guys how I'm able to make my soup. So the soup I'll be making today is vegetable soup as well as okra soup. So because of the quarantine, there's literally nothing much to do, let's be honest. So because of that, I do a lot of cooking for my family. So I'm going to be making vegetable soup and okra soup separately. I got vegetables already from the market. I was able to sneak into Rumokoro and get vegetables. So I was able to grab this very fresh vegetable from Rumokoro market. And I'll be using this one for the vegetable, then maybe this smaller one for the okra soup. Because my kids love okra, so that's why I'm doing okra for them. Then this is the water leaf I got from my neighbor. He has this little garden where he plants water leaf and some other vegetables. I prefer to like patronize him and get some of the vegetables from him. Apart from the fact that I'm helping my neighbor, I'm also eating a very healthy, fresh vegetable. This is the one we already cleaned up, but we still have to wash it. We just took out the flowers. We'll have to wash it. And yeah, so basically that will be it for now, but I'll be heading out. I want to get fresh pepper. I already have fresh pepper here, but I need to get something very fresh because the okra soup, I want to see like pepper in it, so I need to get a fresh one, not the one I blended. And that's why I'll be going out, because when I went to Rumokoro, I saw people selling, though they were running with their goods, but they were actually selling. Going out to get fresh pepper because I saw someone selling it not too far away from me here. So yeah, that'll be it. Now let's just head out and get the fresh pepper and come back to continue with the cooking. Come and say hi too, Muffy. Say hi. Say hi to my friend. Give me a handshake. Handshake. Shake me. Guys, you see my dog? Good boy. Shake, shake, mama. Enough handshake, okay? I can't shake you anymore. I already washed my hands. Is this strong? No. Muffy, say hi. Hi. Ryan, if you want to make your video, what do you say? Like, what will you say in your video?
Ladies and gentlemen.
What?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen?
Mm-hmm.
So I thought you usually say, hi everyone, my name is Stella.
I said I'll go do it later.
Oh, you're shy. But there's no one looking at Ada. Why are you standing there staring at Ryan? Leave Ryan alone. He's shy. Why are you staring at him? That's why he's shy. Are you shy? You want to do it later? What will you do later? Video?
I'll do it later.
When you want to do yours, you're going to use you won't use your phone, you use a camera. Mommy is going to buy you a camera, okay? What? You say what?
Pictures.
Pictures?
Mm-hmm.
Pictures? You want to take pictures for what?
To take a picture of me.
Of you.
Take picture of my mommy.
You want to take picture of your mommy? What?
I want grandma.
You want grandma? Wait, be careful. Inda, this your yam is not ready yet. Yam. Okay guys, so let's just continue the prepping process and I'll get back to you once I'm ready to start cooking. So guys, we finished prepping all the ingredients that will be needed to make this soup. And in no particular order, this is my periwinkle. I love this. I can't do without this. Then this is my water leaf, finely chopped. And this is my chopped onion. I'll need more onion because I'm cooking 2 soup and I'll need onions for, let me assume this one is for the okra. I need another one for the vegetable. And this is the okra with, I actually I blended this one, like I had to mash it with something because with onion. As you can see, I mixed it with onions and I mashed it. I'll like add it at the end. You see how I add it when I'm preparing the food, so I don't even need to say anything about that. So this is the periwinkle. I like this one for my vegetable. The other one I showed you is for the okra, but this one is for my vegetable. I like pium pium. I'm a Rivers girl, so pium pium is big. Then this is the okra. This is the one we're going to be like seeing very much in the soup, so I like to just chop it like this. I like to mix this one and this one together to make my okra soup. And this is the palm oil we're using. I didn't bring it out here from the stuff, so I just said let me show you guys here since I'm not using it. And these are veggies. The other one was water leaf, and this one is vegetable. Ugu. These are fresh pepper that we'll be using as well. Salt, Maggi, and our crayfish. We still have some more inside, right? Because this might not be enough. So yeah, that's it. Our meat is cooking. Let me go show you guys our meat is already cooking. So we have snail and stockfish. Oh, this is hot. Can I get something else, please? We have stockfish. We have stockfish. Yeah. So here we have snail, stockfish, as usual, bush meat, and goat meat. I have my bush meat, my snail, my stockfish, and my goat meat here cooked. And this one is for the vegetable soup. So guys, I just added the what I did was I fried the oil with the onion, then I added the water leaf, and after the water leaf, I allowed the water leaf to like dry up some water. Then I added my meat and my beef and everything, every protein I'll be using, including the snail, and I'm just stirring it. And I already added my stock cube. I added nut cube and some peppers. I like to add a little bit of Cameroon pepper. I think that's what it's called, Api. Cameroon pepper, Apigana pepper, and some fresh pepper as well. So this is what it's looking. It's really looking good already. And remember, we've not added our normal vegetable, so I'll just let this boil. I've not even added my crayfish yet as well. I'll do that later. I like to add my crayfish last, and also my vegetable, so it doesn't cook too much and it still retains its taste. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys up to date what I'm doing. I'm going to add the periwinkle. Remember I said we're going to add I'll just add some water, and this is the periwinkle. I'll just wash it and add it here. My favorite soup. I love it. I also love my afang. I made afang 2 days ago, and I decided to make vegetable. They are just they taste very similar. This is like edikaikong. So I love it so much. Yeah, so I added the periwinkle. I wasn't supposed to turn it, but my bad. I already did, because I noticed there's a saying that if you turn the periwinkle immediately you add it, it's going to get very hard. It won't come out very well. But I already did. So I'll just cover this and let it boil and come back for the finishing touch. I'm just turning it because it's boiling, and I don't know if you guys can see, but this looks really good and delicious. I forgot to say this, but I already added my dry fish. There's no way you can make this kind of soup without adding fish, of course. So I didn't say it earlier, but I added my dry fish. At the same time, I added the meat and the beef and the meat, in fact. At the same time, I added the meat. So I'm just trying to test it now. delicious. Did I say I added Cameroon pepper? It gave it a very nice taste. Yummy. I need to wash my hands. So now I'm going to add my crayfish and my vegetable. I won't be using all these vegetables. Remember I said we're going to use some for the okra soup. So I'll just use some of them. But first of all, I add my crayfish, and I'm not using any measuring thing. I'll just add as much as I think will be okay. So just adding that. Then I'll add my vegetable. And once I add my vegetable, it's time to bring it down. So, yeah. So once I add it, I keep stirring it, you know, just to make sure everything is well incorporated. You know, and I still have some more. I don't want too much vegetable in the okra soup because the okra itself is vegetable, so I'll use more of the vegetable for this soup because the name of this soup is vegetable soup. You understand? So we need more veggies. So this is going to be fun on the okra, I guess. Yeah. So your soup is ready. It's already done. You just basically need to taste it for salt, and if you need more crayfish, you can add more. But guys, this is it. And the next time you see me is when I'm chowing my delicious vegetable soup, or edikaikong soup, whatever you call it. The Akwa Ibom people, I think they call it edikaikong, but we call it vegetable, whatever you call it. So guys, I just finished cooking and I'm about to eat my delicious edikaikong soup, and it's looking so good. You love soup? Yeah, but this is not for you. You're going to eat okra soup.
Okra soup? I love okra soup.
Yummy.
I love okra.
Delicious. So I'll just have to stop talking so I don't choke on this food. But guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy videos like this, please do well to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you are my old subscriber, thank you so much for sticking with me. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you guys. Until I see you in my next one, bye for now.
Bye for now.